I bought this dash cam to protect me while I'm driving. I'm a truck driver, and it's very important for me to have a little security, you know. I mean, I was in Kentucky and somebody rolled back on me, and they come out of their car and they said, "Hey, why'd you hit me?" I said, "I didn't hit you." "Yes, you did." "Well, I got a camera, I got a video to prove it that I didn't." They said, "Let me see." I said, "No, I don't have to show you." So we get out of the car after I finally convinced her, and looking at her little scratch in her brand new car she just picked up that she rolled it back on me. And up comes a cop, and he says, "Everything okay?" She looked at him and nodded. He turned around and walked away. So this video camera literally saved me 3 points on my commercial driver's license, probably about $150, and it didn't give me, you know, an accident on my record. So I love this thing. I don't go any place without this. This is mine. I love it.